Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Swift code of Axis Bank India. First, let's understand what the Swift code is. A Swift code is a special bank code used for international money transfer. If you want to send or receive money from another country, you need to correct Swift code so the money reaches the right bank. Now let's see how to find the Swift code of Axis Bank in India. If you have an Axis Bank account, open it. Then you can check your bank statements, passbook or checkbook. Sometimes the Swift code is printed on the document. After that, log into your Axis Bank, internet banking or the mobile banking app. Go to the account details or international transfer option. There you can find the Swift code of your branch. You can also visit your nearest Axis Bank branch or call customer care, ask them directly for the Swift code of your branch and they will help you. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.